everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for Lloyds Banks. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open a web browser. As soon as you do that, go to the top of the screen and in the URL box type in lloydsbank.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Lloyds Bank. Scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see a Register Now button. If you don't have an account yet, click on the button, but if you already have one, you can click on the Log On button. After clicking on Register Now, you'll be taken to a next page. Go ahead and register yourself to a new account by entering the title in the first text box. Now, type in your first name on the next and then your last name. Select your date of birth from the drop-down. After you've set up your date of birth, by choosing your day, month and year, enter your UK postcode in the next box. After you type in the postcode, you're good to move on. But if you don't live in the UK, you can click on this box and then complete the rest of the process. Choose your account type from the drop-down, whether you'd like to open up savings account, credit card, loans, mortgage, and share dealing. After you choose any one of them, go ahead and complete the rest of the process. In my case, it is asking me to enter the sort code number, so I'm typing it in the text box over here. Once you've done that, enter your account number in the next text box. Finally, click on Continue at the bottom right. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your logon details. You'll be asked to create your username and the password. Follow the on-screen process, and you'll be able to sign up for a Lloyds Bank account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.